how to cancel your vote or polling on the Instagram. So for example here, I want to vote on this story, how do you like orange? But I accidentally vote it in the lowest low, and I want to change it. So what you want to do is go to your profile page, then click these three lines here, and select your activity. Then go to the sticker responses. And you want to select what you want to change. By click this select button, check mark here, and click delete. And you want to close your Instagram application and open it again. And there you go. You can vote again. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.